Okay, we're going to make an easy peasy hollandaise sauce. And these are the directions, the ingredients. 3 egg yolks, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon Dijon, 1/4 teaspoon salt, pinch of cayenne, half a cup of melted butter. Okay, and so we take the 3 egg. Let's see how we're going to do this. We're going to leave the egg white. That's what we're going to do. We're going to leave the egg white and put the egg yolk in there. 1, 2. Oh, it's not perfect, but you know, you get the idea. 3. 3 egg yolks. There we go. 3 egg yolks. Yay. All right. Then we're going to add a tablespoon of lemon juice into the mixture. And then a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. There we go. Dijon, just in case you missed it. There we go. Okay, that's a teaspoon. It's my kind of teaspoon. A scant of cayenne. And a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Don't have to measure it, but we will. There we go. Okay, so that's that. So then I have an immersion blender, but you can use a normal blender. And we're going to mix this up, and then we're going to stream in the butter, and that should do it. So okay, so now I'm going to stream in the butter. This will make easy hollandaise sauce. In minutes. There you go. So let's see how that looks and tastes. All right, okay, here we go. You ready? Excellent. Okay, there you go. That's how easy it is and fast.